Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use multiple videos on one Instagram story. First, open your Instagram app. Swipe your screen to the right. Go to your gallery and select the video you want to upload. Resize it to a smaller size. Then tap on the three dots on your top right. Your video has been saved. After that, you need to open InShot app. Tap on video, then select blank. Now select the resized video which you have saved previously. Also, select another video from your gallery and make its size smaller as well. Adjust the video to the right place on the same page. Tap on save on your top right. It will start converting your videos. Once it is done, go back to Instagram and discard the previous story. Upload this new video which you have just created on InShot. You can see these two videos playing at the same time in your story. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.